Hey guys, this is Jesse here at Crazy Trailer World. Today I want to talk to you about the aluminum trailers. Now this trailer right here, it's an 18-foot tilt plus a 2-foot little stationary deck on front, so it's a 20-foot overall. And this is the LP Executive Series. So the Executive Series, they're all going to come standard with this nice toolbox right here, this sweet air dam to protect your cars. It's going to come with these little lights in the deck so you can load at night easy, and the black wheels, black stickers. Now the LP, the Low Pro, it's going to come with a spread axle, and it's a tilt with these 5-foot pull-out ramps. So this is specifically for your extreme low profile cars. I'm talking Porsches, Lamborghinis, Ferraris, stuff that is extremely low to the ground that you struggle to get on with ramps. This will be the trailer for you. You've got your tie downs here, one in the back, one in the front. And then it comes with these kind of like support stands back here in the tilt so that it stays a little bit off the ground, giving you that nice, easy angle to get your cars on here. And then it also comes with these removable fenders. So all these fenders are going to come off individually so that you whether how many passengers you got in the car that need to open the door, you can take those off so they don't ding your doors. It has a torsion axles giving you that smooth ride that you're looking for. Super lightweight, never rust. It's a 5-year bumper to bumper warranty. I'm talking wiring, frame, lights, anything, bumper to bumper, 5-year warranty. And then to lock this trailer down, it has these little latches right here, and it has the gravity dampening system as well, so that you don't just slam your car down when you're coming up here. It's going to be a nice, easy ride coming down. And now it's stuck. So there you go. So if you're looking for something to haul a low profile car on, give us a call. Our number is 940-977-7000, or visit us online at crazytrailerworld.com.